Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe.
Today we're unboxing and trying on the SKIMS Swarovski limited edition jelly sheer high-waisted leggings in the color Sienna. Now of course we've unboxed a few of these other items on our channel, so be sure to check those out, but we are going to take a quick look at the beautiful silver box again, of course adorned with the SKIMS and Swarovski logos on either side. Now this item is the legging version of a few of the other items that we've seen. But what's unique about this item is that the Swarovski placement is a little different. So you've seen with the catsuit, there was a concentration of the crystals around the chest and the pelvic area. And this legging item actually has more of a concentration towards the top, and it tapers off as it gets to the legs, which you can see on both sides. The crystals are, again, the same crystals throughout the collection, and they are just so perfectly matched. It is really a great piece. I really like this pairing that they did with the crystals and the fabric. The one thing that I found a little interesting looking at the item itself, not necessarily on, which you'll see in a moment, was the placement or the distinction of the seam going down the bum area. So while off of the body, they're a little bit more pronounced, the seams. They kind of disappear a little bit more when they're on, but I will let you be the judge of that when we try these on. So taking a look, you can see the overall fit is intended to be high-waisted. They're intended to be snug. This is the size M, and I usually wear a size 0 or a 2. So I do think that these are a little large. You will see that I've tried these on with a pair of leggings underneath, and that's just to compensate for the size a little bit. Overall, they feel like sturdy leggings. I love the elastic at the top, and the jelly sheer material is just so luxurious. Let me know in the comments below if you've tried these. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.